So what we're gonna be doing today on my 2013 Porsche Cayenne is we're gonna be replacing the hood strut, because one of the things you do with is it'll go bad and it'll no longer hold the hood up. So what I've been doing is holding it up with this big tool in my garage. Been holding up with this, but what we're gonna do now is just replace it. Good thing is, most items on Porsches you need a specialized tool, but with this one all you need is a flathead screwdriver. Need to pop this off, retaining clip. Gonna pop that off. Don't want to give me. There we go. There we go. Got that off. And we're gonna pop it off the bottom. We can get in there. There it is, right there. Pop it off and release it from the bottom. All these do is release it off. I'm trying to do this with my left hand. I might as well go to my right hand. There we go. Released it off. Now all we're gonna do is replace it with the new one. Got the new one. You can get one off Amazon, eBay, whichever one you prefer. So you're gonna have to pull this out, sort of release so you can put it on. Oh no, probably have to get a smaller screwdriver unless I can get this under there. Yep, have to get a smaller screwdriver. Yep, smaller screwdriver. I got a pen too. So we're gonna replace it with that as soon as we get me a smaller screwdriver. Alright, so got a smaller flathead. Gonna pop that open. Alright, that should be released enough to slide that in. It did. Gonna secure that back on. That should secure back on. Hold on, let's put a bigger one at. Secure that back on with the larger one. There, it's back on. Gonna pop out the top one. Small screwdriver. Pop that out. That's popped out. Lift this up to extend it out some. Hold on, let's just let this fall on its own. Let's get that down. Lift this up. Secure it on. God dang. I don't want to secure on. Oh shit, I done twisted it around. Hold on, buddy. I gotta put that back up. Alright, so what you don't want to do is pull the pin out so much that you roll it around. So I rolled it around so much that I couldn't put the ball in place, so now I gotta get this out with some pliers. Just gonna try to get that out of there and slide it back in. This is why I do these videos. So you don't have to make the mistakes that I make. Alright, so we gotta use the smaller screwdriver, pop this out. That should release it enough. Hold on, don't want to roll that around. And I just rolled it around, so let's roll that back. Let's get that back in there. Roll it around, you won't be able to get it on. So let's just try to pop it off without rolling it around. Keeps wanting to roll around for me. Let's get this side out. Roll around. See that? You don't want that to happen. Then you won't be able to get the ball in. So gotta pop it out kind of straight out. There we go. So pop it straight out. Now you have to hold this, catch that, and then just slide it on, and that'll hold it up. You slide it back on. It's done. Fixed. And now you got a new strut. Here we are, basically function of the hood with the new hood strut. There you go.